Shock and grief in Karnataka. Former Director General of Police Om Prakash has been found murdered in his Bangalore home. The 68-year-old was discovered with multiple stab wounds to the chest and stomach, his body lying in a pool of blood. A 1981 batch IPS officer, Om Prakash, had led Karnataka Police, Fire and Emergency Services and Home Guards before retiring. Police suspect a sharp weapon was used. Reports quoting sources say a family dispute may have escalated fatally.
Afternoon around 4:30 we got an information regarding this particular incident. The Hoysala vehicle attended immediately. We came to know about this incident of death of our ex-DG and IGP, Sri Om Prakash. Currently, the son of Mr. Om Prakash, he has been contacted. He is giving a complaint against this particular incident. Once the complaint is given, FIR will be registered and further investigation of the case will be taken up.
What is the motive, murder?
See, immediately we cannot reach into the details and motive of the complete incident that has happened. So once the case is registered, a detailed investigation will be taken up. Every single aspect that pertains to the background of this particular case will be investigated, and we will be able to know what exactly is the reason behind it.
Any arrests related to this?
Immediately there are no arrests. So it looks like from the initial information that is there that things may be internal in nature, but we are still to. But still, we see all these things will take time to be determined. But yes, every single aspect that will be ensured to be looked into, and then only will be in a position to tell exactly what exactly happened. It seems that some sharp weapon has been used because there is a lot of blood loss, because of it that it seems the death has happened.
Now postmortem is going on as tomorrow.
So once the FIR formalities are complete, so we'll give the requisition for postmortem, and once the postmortem is complete, further formalities will be taken up.
Reports said his wife, daughter and another family member were inside the house at the time. All three are being questioned. An FIR has been filed based on a complaint by his son. The body has been sent for autopsy.
Director General of Police, Shri Jai Prakash, Om Prakash, has been murdered. They say by his own wife, but the investigation is on. Until and unless we get the report, the investigation report, we cannot conclude anything. The investigation is on. They are looking at various aspects. Once the report is with us, then we can say how the murder is being done and so on.
He is worked with you, sir, whenever you were the first time.
Yeah, when I was the first time Home Minister in 2015, he was the Director General of Police. He worked with me. He's a very good man, good competent officer, but it is unfortunate.
Sir, any motive motive?
No, we don't know anything. We don't know the motive. We don't know anything about this murder. But we will investigate. I mean, the department is going to investigate that. And once the report comes to us, then we will know.
Any arrest still?
No. That wife has been secured. They are questioning her. But beyond that, nothing is known.
Was it a domestic dispute gone too far or something more sinister? A detailed probe is underway.